Thank you, viewers. Today we want to look at how you can start goat farming with $100. Yeah, most people look at goat as an expensive venture, but I want to assure you that it is one of the easiest and cheapest venture that you can invest in. Looking at $100, that is equivalent to 350 to 380 Ugandan shilling. So you have to be strategic enough when you're using this money. One, look at the quality breed. So if you cannot manage quality, the hybrid, we always talk about the Savannah, the Boas, the Kalharis, the Blackberries, please start with the local. Start with local. $100 you can get around 2 to 3 goats. Now, out of these 2 you can get 1 buck. That is one way you can invest in this $100. Second thing is, you can develop a MOU with someone who is like for us. You can come to us. We can do an agreement. You make an agreement. Say, okay, I have this amount of money, but I want a buck to cross my maybe the 2 or 3 my locals. So you can pay this in advance. We write. Then once you get your money, you come and clear. That's again another way you can invest in this $100. Another way is, like for me, how I started was I planted a cassava. After planting a cassava, I was able to sell this. After selling, then I was able to purchase. Or you can plant in a cassava, then you do exchange with the goats. That's again another way you can invest in your $100. Thank you so much.
Hello, welcome to Better Farm and Herbs. Please subscribe and make a comment below. And please share as much as you can so that we can reach more broader audience. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like the video once again. Thank you. Please enjoy the video.